Hi, I'm Craig and I've had a request from one of my students to create this video. So today I'm going to be explaining 4 words that can often be a little confusing as to which one to use and when to use it. These words are this, that, these and those. This and that are singular and these and those are plural. So how do we use them? Firstly, I will explain with objects. For example, if you are in a shop, you could say, I like this t-shirt. Yeah, I like this t-shirt. We use the word this here because the object is next to us. I also like that jacket. So I like that jacket. So I will buy this t-shirt and that jacket. If I'm talking about more than one item, for example 2 t-shirts or a pair of shoes or socks that only come in pairs, then I would use these and those. So I really like I really like these shoes. I really like these shoes, but they are expensive. Those shoes are cheaper. So I am going to buy this t-shirt, that jacket, those shoes, and I will put these shoes back. And it isn't just clothes we can talk about. This is a cup of coffee. These are pencils. Those are books on that shelf. Now that we've talked about using these words to talk about objects, let's have a look at time. So I have a lot of work to do this morning, which means the morning of today I have a lot of work to do. So we use this because we are currently in the morning. It is similar to being next to me. So this cup, this morning. But we can also use the word this to talk about the past if it occurred on the same day. So what did you do this morning? It is not currently morning, but it is still the same day as we use this. And also in the future, if it is the same day, what are you going to do this afternoon? It is currently morning, but we are talking about the same day. The same goes for this week, this month, this year. Typically, a week starts on Monday. Some people say it starts on Sunday, but for this video, it starts on Monday. Can you help me move house on Friday? You could respond, I'm not sure. I'm very busy this week. So Monday to Sunday, I am busy. I might have some free time, but in general, I'm busy. Or, are you going on holiday this year? No, I'm going next year. So an example of using that could be, when was your last holiday abroad? Well, my last holiday abroad was in 2019. I went to Spain that year. So the same year as you in the past, but a different year to now. So we use that. But what about these and those when talking about time? I have a lot of work this year, so these next few months are going to be busy. So I'm talking about more than 1 month, so it's plural, and therefore I use these. It is near me, or in other words, these months have started or almost started. Between December and January, it is Christmas, my parents' wedding anniversary, my sister's birthday, my mum's birthday, and my niece's birthday. So those months are going to be expensive. It is in the future and plural, so we use the word those. I hope this video has been useful and you now understand these 4 words. If you like this video, then please remember to like, subscribe, and if you'd like a private English lesson, then please click the link in the description and book a trial lesson with me. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.